Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we'll perform practical 12.2. The statement is find the refractive index of water by concave mirror. Students, as you know that the refractive index is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is always a constant number that is called refractive index. In topic refraction, we have studied that when light enter from rarer to denser medium or denser to rarer medium, it bend toward normal or away from normal. This property of light is called refraction. And when we take the ratio of sine of angle of incidence and sine of angle of refraction for a certain material, it always uh, a constant number. That constant number is called refractive index. So today in this practical we find the refractive index of water by concave mirror. The material required for this practical is concave mirror, sharp pointed needle, parallax needle, meter rule, iron stand with retort ring, split cork or needle holder, plumb line and water. Students now will perform the practical to find the refractive index of water. Uh, as you know, the statement is to find the refractive index of water by using concave mirror. The operators required once again concave mirror. As you know, water, optical needle or parallax needle, clamp stand with holder, plumb line, half meter rule. First of all, we place the concave mirror at the base of the stand and fix the needle, we can say object needle, with the clamp in the stand, and make sure that the tip of the needle is aligned with the pole of the mirror, as you can see here. Now we'll move the pin upward and try to see the inverted image of the needle in the mirror. As you can see in the figure that the tip of the object needle and the tip of the image is coinciding with each other. Now we'll move our eye left to right and see that both tips are moving at the same time, so there is no parallax. By adjusting the position of the needle, we remove the parallax. Then we have to measure the height of the needle from the base of the stand or from the concave mirror. This height will be the radius, or we can say it as h1. To measure the height, we use plumb line. As you can see, now we place the plumb line along with scale and measure the height, and in this practical we got height or radius r equals to 40 centimeter. This is the height from the tip of the needle to the pole, and we will write it in the table for our first observation, 40 centimeter. Now we'll put some water using dropper on a concave mirror, and repeat the previous procedure, that was to align the tip of the needle with the tip of the image needle in the mirror by moving our head left or right will remove the parallax. Now we'll find the height of the needle. As you can see, the parallax is removed. Again use plumb line to measure the height of the needle tip from the pole of the mirror. This height will be radius r dash, or height we can say h2. The ratio of h1 or h2 is the refractive index of water, and this height is 29 centimeter. So we'll write it in our table, 29 centimeter. Now students will take the ratio 40 divided by 29 equals to 1.3. We'll repeat the practical using different concave mirrors and take the mean value, which is 1.33. As you know, this is the refractive index of water. This is practical for today. Allah Hafiz.